Handsome Billy boy.
Yeah, boy.
How are you doing?
Fine, very well.
I've been looking for you. Where have you been, Mr. Billy boy?
I've got here at my home.
Speak louder, Mr. Billy boy.
I was sitting at my home. Yes.
So how is your girlfriend?
Girlfriend you don't have now.
Why don't you have a girlfriend?
Because these bitches, two bitches want to steal my money.
How are they stealing your money?
She want to say that if you see me here, give me some money, give me some whatever. So if you can't...
But you have to give them money.
Sometimes the first days I was giving, but this time I don't want.
Why?
It was too much now.
These are girlfriends. You have to maintain your girlfriend.
Yeah,
You have to feed your girlfriend. You know. You have to buy clothes for her, food for her. You know. You are a man, Billy boy. You have to work for your girlfriend.
Yes, I did do that,
But what?
This girlfriend is not sure
It's not sure about what.
about she love me.
She doesn't love you.
She's love me about talking about money. Hey, give me some whatever. Can you buy some? Don't have. No. Sometimes some girlfriends use bitches. No.
So it's not worth it to give her money.
I don't have now.
So right now you are single.
This time I'm single.
Single and happy.
Happy or just a little bit. Yes.
So are you making money these days with your hustle?
I just say 1 day, 2 days or 3 days.
How much are you making per day?
A day got your $2, $3, or $4 per day. Sometimes $2.
Okay.
Only, yeah.
That's good. You are making money. It's better than staying at home.
Yes.
Better than staying at home. So how is the winter season?
Now it's
Very cold.
It's very cold, yes. Yes, it's cold.
Yeah, I can see you are wearing plenty of jerseys.
Plenty of
Yeah.
yes, because I was going to work here.
So today, did you bath today?
Today we don't have.
So are you gonna
No.
bath? Are you gonna bath?
We just try, but today we can't.
Why?
It's very too cold. It's too cold.
But with warm water, I think it can be cold with warm water.
It's cold. It doesn't.
You can put warm water on the stove, then you go to bath.
Maybe some people she was working now.
So who do you stay with at your home?
We stay about myself.
Only?
Yes.
Where is your father?
She's sleeping in his bedroom.
Or what about your two brothers?
She's walking around.
And your sisters?
My sisters now I don't have.
Don't you have sisters?
She's not stay here.
Are you sure?
Yes.
So where does she stay?
Maybe she stays in his house somewhere.
But Mr. Billy Boy, I encourage you to bath every day, you know.
It's only today only. Yes.
So yesterday you.
Yesterday I did.
Oh, and then tomorrow you're gonna party.
Tomorrow obvious. Yes.
So Mr. Blue Boy, on the issue of your girlfriends, do you need one?
Now I don't have. I was very close of this. That's one girl stealing my money.
So what type of a girlfriend do you need in your life?
It's one only everything is okay.
The one who doesn't need money.
Yes.
I have one that I want to give you.
Now we don't have now.
You are very angry.
We're very angry.
You are very angry, Mr. Billy Boy.
Yeah.
They only want money from you.
Yeah.
So what do we do now? It's better to stay single, what?
Yes.
It's okay, Mr. Billy Boy.
It's okay.
Are you happy?
Me, I'm happy.
So how much do you have in your pocket right now?
In my pocket, $1 something.
Show me the money that you have.
It's bond. It's only bond. Bond
Show me,
notes.
show me, show me, show me.
Draw something. Draw something only.
Count it.
This one.
Count it.
Count is to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This one is a $1.
Right.
1, 2, 3, 4. $1.80.
Yeah, so that's the money that you have worked for today.
Yeah. Yes.
Thank you so much, Mr. Billy Boy. Have a nice day.
Thank you.